I have a question. I have red coloration on my crabapple trees. Is there anything I can do about it?
Yeah, well, I'm part of a team investigating best management practices for red star rust, which is perhaps what is on the crabapple's leaf. We're doing these investigations to help better inform the nursery and fruit industries here in Minnesota. It was first discovered in Minnesota in 2022, and red star rust affects two unrelated plant hosts: Malus species, which are crabapple and apple, and some very popular species of landscape juniper. And why are we concerned about red star rust in the landscape? Well, it does have the propensity to cause premature leaf drop on apples and crabapples, which can reduce the tree's vigor, and for apples, decrease the yield. And of course, we're concerned about the fruit and flower display in crabapples. But for junipers, we don't suspect any permanent significant damage. And what does red star rust look like? Well, on apples and crabapples, you see a large lesion in midsummer, and this lesion is typically brightly colored in hues of red, yellow, and orange, and it's irregularly shaped, meaning it's not perfectly circular, and sometimes even star-shaped, hence the name red star rust. And if you turn the leaf over at the end of summer, you see bristles on the underside of the leaves, and those actually contain spores. And you can think of spores as fungal seeds that cause infection. And these are windblown to our juniper hosts, where they cause a very small gall or a proliferation of tissue. And these galls are typically not visible, except in spring when you get warm temperatures and rain. They produce orange gummy spore masses. It literally looks like someone has flung orange jello at the plant. And these spores are windblown back to apples and crabapples, completing the disease life cycle. And how do we manage this in the home landscape? First off, make sure you buy healthy, disease-free plants at the nursery or garden center. Secondly, avoid planting both junipers and crabapples or apples in your own home landscape. Although spores can travel several miles, there's more likelihood of an infection if they're planted in close proximity to one another. And then thirdly, you want to make sure your apples and crabapples are properly pruned to allow for air infiltration inside the canopy so the leaves dry out after a rain event. And typically, chemical intervention isn't necessary if you have a healthy tree. It can withstand some level of infection.